Aloha kakayaka. Stop. Good morning, everybody. It's day 2 of Hawaii. Stop it. And our view this morning is amazing. It's a little less cloudy than yesterday, but it was still beautiful yesterday. Let me show you guys. Isn't that so pretty? There's a little sun peeking out from that side. So beautiful. And there's like a parasail all the way over there. I don't think you can see it. And there's not that many people out on the beach yet because it's 8 a.m. currently. Aloha kakayaka, everybody. Ooh, it is humid out here. Good morning, Hawaii. Oh, it smells nice. Nice and fresh out here. Oh, so beautiful. A bunch of surfers out on the waves already. So cool. Freaking love it here. So nice out. Sitting over here. Oh my god, my lens is all fogged up. Hold on. Much better. So nice. I still can't believe we're here. It's crazy. Oh, I look like crap. I slept. It's real good. Like, we passed out at 10-ish p.m. and we woke up around, well, now, like 8 o'clock.
Isn't that just fine? Still a little bit cloudy today.
So nice.
7%, which is pretty intense for me. Someone talking in the video, is my girl, she is vlogging. So yeah, that's it.
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, guys, that's basically what we're doing right now. We just woke up and I guess Brandon wants to go to the gym for a little bit, and I probably won't film that, and then we'll end up most likely getting breakfast. We'll see. We wanted to go to shore to get breakfast. Their breakfast ends at 11 a.m. and we're still planning to go work out, so I don't know if we'll have enough time to catch breakfast, but we'll see. And then we'll end up catching up with you guys later, whatever we end up doing. Alright, you guys, just want to update you really quick. We are going down to the beach. Brandon's waiting for me over by the elevator because I forgot my phone over here. But that is what we're doing right now. I will probably continue this part of the vlog once we go down there, probably on the GoPro that we have. So I will see you guys there. Oh, that mom and son have matching.
Oh, that's cute. Huh?
There's a lot of rocks in here.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go underwater. Alright, let's go. How that looked, it probably looked really stupid. I could not see anything.
Alright. Going back in the water, got my swim shoes on. This is actually so useful because I could just walk right in there without it hurting.
I feel like it's exfoliating the feet.
Yeah. I mean, it's not bad, like, to walk without them, but it does hurt. I wanted to show you guys these little crab thingies that are on the rock. Look at these guys. Look at them. They're tiny.
Hey, they're bigger than I thought they'd be.
Yeah, look at that little one over there. Can you get on that end? Got it? Yeah.
That was like underwater.
The wave?
Yeah. Close it out, say bye.
Yeah, bye.
So we wrapped up our beach adventure and went to a local lobster station. And yeah, we're gonna get some shaved ice. So, yeah, I don't know which one. Should we go for traditional
One, the strawberry and mango. Or what's the other one?
snow ice? We have traditional rainbow, which is strawberry, vanilla, passion fruit, and it says melon on it.
Yeah, let's do the Lily Korean mango shake, snow ice.
Alright, and we'll show you guys what that looks like when we finish buying.
Got them here.
So we are number 28, just waiting outside for our order. And yeah, Lawson Station right there. Look at you, all beach vibey. You look like you already got tan,
Really?
but I can't tell. Alright, so here it is. This is the Lily Koi mango shade ice. Little chunks of mango and pineapple. We're gonna try it while she gets her ass over here. Alright, let's try it. Good?
That's so good.
Yeah?
That's really good.
Yeah?
Ooh. You want me to feed it to you?
No, I'll feed myself.
Okay.
Taste it with my own mouth.
Okay, do it.
Some of that mango.
Wow.
That's really good. You know, they say like a lot of things like, you gotta go to this place for shave ice. And I'm just like, I think I'm gonna like them all.
Yeah.
You know, regardless, so.
I think I'm good.
Like, you gotta go to this place. Way better. Like, how does it get better? This is really good. Yeah. Alright, well that's it for this place. Highly recommend. Check out Lawson Station.
Yep. Do it.
Incredible.
Alright, you guys, now we are at the Hula Grill. Look at this cool stuff from this famous surfer, Duke. So cool. Duke Kahanamoku. So cool. They have a lot of cool artifacts. Pretty surfboards. I'll show you guys the sign for it. It's right over here. It's overexposed a little bit. This is the waiting area. Big chairs. They comfy?
Yeah.
Damn, you sink all the way in. But yeah, this is where we're gonna have lunch today. I guess like late. What time was it again? 2 o'clock, right?
2:09.
Yeah.
Well,
So,
just in time.
Yeah. Spend good amount at the beach, and then yeah, that's about it. So once we get in there, I'll show you guys some more. Alright guys, we got sat. This is the restaurant. And this is our view. Super nice out today. Is this their cocktail menu? And if you guys want the QR, see the 5 people watching the video. And this view is killer to eat by. And the restaurant's really pretty. They have like a cute little bar down there.
It's a brunch cocktail. Yeah, you can order that. They got a mimosa flight. I'd be like, how dare you?
We could just get cocktails, each of us. I think I might do the lemonade fresh fruit slushy.
Yeah. You try
Okay,
this?
guys. No, not yet.
Wow.
Our drinks just got here.
Yeah.
Got the Mai Tai.
Strong.
Yeah. And then this one's mine. It's the lava flow. I feel like I've had this somewhere before. I don't remember where.
We had it at that bar in Edmonds.
Oh yeah, that's probably where. And I'm gonna taste it now. Oh, so delightful.
Slaps.
These cups are so cute. I love tiki cups. This is so good. You can't go wrong with this. You wanna try? You wanna try?
Oh yeah, sorry. Thanks for the carbs.
It's good.
That's nuts.
Delicious, like yogurt.
It's better than the one in Edmonds.
Yeah, it's good stuff. Oh, look at, they're coming in. The boat's coming in.
Oh shit.
They're like honking at people to move out of the way. There's like cones clearly marking where they're supposed to come in, but they're not moving. They look like those fun patty things from SpongeBob.
SpongeBob?
They're so
Everybody
cute.
guessed.
Yeah, pork bun sliders and then the loco moco for him.
Yeah.
Looks good, and then we're just waiting on our poke tacos.
Yeah.
But they look so good.
So
They're
fast.
so cute. All right, the poke tacos are here. They look so good.
When they do an odd number.
Yeah, I hate when they do it. They don't want you to share it. They're like, you either buy it for yourself or you don't do it at all. Come on, get on there. Cheers.
There's a little side of the juice they put in the Mai Tai. Might make it more enjoyable.
Yeah, dude, no, it's great. I mean, I like my strong.
Yeah, but you kept saying it, so he's like, oh. I didn't know you were a little bit scared. That's so good.
Oh god. Yeah. Lock those legs. Oh yeah. Oh. That's so good.
It was bomb.
So good.
10 out of 10. Alright guys, we're gonna finish up and I'll catch up with you later. How awesome that tree is. Oh, there's like a rooster over there. Do you see the rooster over there?
Oh, I haven't seen this entire time. Oh, is that part of...
He's just there by himself.
Oh, is that the zoo? Wow.
There's just a little rooster all by himself.
Let him go.
Oh,
He's running fast.
Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Oh yeah.
Oh, he's about to get on it. Here he goes. It's you and me here.
Okay.
Cross.
You gotta go that way. Gotta go fast. Yeah, we're walking to the aquarium now. Oh, those are so cute. Those little rental cars are adorable.
At like every main beach.
I know. They're so awesome. Look both ways.
Not more 04 practice? Yeah, it's kind of like this now. Maybe like 04 practice.
Cool. Yeah, that's what we're doing now. Gonna walk to the aquarium and see what they got. Apparently it's small. So we'll see how long it takes us to go through it because they close at 5? You said?
Yes.
5? Yeah. And right now it's like almost 4. Or already 4?
Yeah.
No, almost 4. 3:55. I know, it's really nice. The beach is right there. Luscious trees.
I feel like these trees have very good behavior. Unlike Washington trees, I feel like they're like, oh, let's just give enough space and enough shade.
Yeah.
You know, our trees are super low to the ground. They're like, fuck, we're just hitting kids
I
in
know.
the face.
We have arrived. There's the aquarium. Hi. Oh, cute. Sea turtle and a sea lion or seal. Cute. Let's go in.
These are the issues that drive many of them want to bring people's focus to not just the coral aspect of all these things, but also the algal aspect.
So pretty.
This interrelationship between these two.
Make sure you wear your coral reef safe sunscreen when you come to Hawaii. It's Black Nemo. It's got blue lips. Look at this. This is so cool.
Super bike.
It's a giant Groupon. It's so big.
Why are you so big, man?
Is he even there? back outside. Alright you guys, we are back to our hotel room. As you guys saw, we went around the aquarium and such. And we bought, or Brandon bought us this picture that they took when we entered. So cute.
So we just got back and we went to Hula. Sorry.
We're like vlogging at the same time. Hey, you want to show this to the vlog?
Yes, I do. So we went to Hula Grill, and then after that we went to the Waikiki Aquarium where they had that green screen.
Let me go in here.
Back to the hotel room.
I'm gonna separate myself.
It was
It was fun though. We had a good time. We walked a lot and it was super hot, and like I even had to put my hair up because the first day that we were here I didn't even put it up at all. But we're gonna chill out for a little bit and then we're gonna go to a bar to have some drinks. It's called Cuckoo Coconut, and then we might go over to the Pink Hotel. I forget what it's called. It's like Princess or something like that, but it's the hotel that's like on the shore of Waikiki. You guys can probably see it from this view here. We're gonna go to their bar to see what they have there. It's that building there. You guys can see it's like salmon pink. But yeah, that's what we're doing now. I just wanted to catch up with you guys a little bit before we just chilled out here for a while and laid in a bed. Ooh. So yeah, that's the update, and I will catch you guys later on in the night with whatever we end up doing. What they doing over here?
For the kids. That's right. Get an education to help other people. One race, the human race. Let's go, everybody.
We're walking a Cuckoo Coconuts now. As you guys saw, there was a lot happening out here. It's so packed right now.
that breakfast looks like it.
Might be. Yesterday we didn't really do much nightlife. We like went back to the hotel like early, and then we just stayed there the entire time until like we knocked out at 10 p.m. So now we're walking around and there's a lot of stuff going on. A lot of stuff to do, a lot of places to look at. Cuckoo Coconuts! These are so awesome. This is our menu. Please use Royal Hawaiian Avenue entry.
Also, it's around.
On that side. Cute. Oh, there's like local shop stuff too. Wow. I know. Looks so cool. Now we wait wait to be seated. Pina colada. Try this shit. Yeah, it's pretty strong. You have to do it at an angle. Not bad. I don't know if that's pointing at anything. It's like really hard to see. The drinks are here. We're both just vlogging. It doesn't look that bad on mine, but it keeps making the purple green for some reason. Yeah. Anyways, Royal Mai Tai, Royal Margarita, and I don't know why it's like doing this green effect. It looks very alien-ish. I'll have to show it to you. For some reason it's making everything green even though it's not green. It's weird. It's gnarly. No, it's just like for some reason it keeps, like this is tripping it out, like the purple. Yeah, it's weird, but it's pretty. It's still like pretty lit up. Yeah, now we're waiting on food. Alright, our food, some of our food is here. Our truffle fries and the clams. Actually, these clams are kind of hard to see. It's like pretty dark. Let me see, there we go. It looks so good though. I'm like scared.
Is that? Forgetting the names.
I'm forgetting.
We had a drink.
Moana?
Yeah.
Oh, those waves are pretty gnarly.
Feels nice though.
Yeah. It's a big wave. So pretty. Alright, you guys, I don't know what was the last clip that you guys saw, but we were at the Mai Tai bar and now we are back at the hotel room. So I'm basically gonna wrap up day 2 of Hawaii because I'm so tired. It's like 11:20 p.m. We had a few drinks, we walked around, we had a late night, late for us, beach walk on Waikiki beach, and that's basically it. I am so exhausted. I cannot wait to go to sleep. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, to be honest. I took a shower really quickly. We're in bed now and I'm just ready to knock out. But if you made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, all of that good stuff. I'm so dead. I can barely keep my eyes open for this video clip. It's so embarrassing. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!